Are you frustrated with seeing your hair thinning and falling out each day? Don't worry. Many people lose 50 to 100 strands daily. However, if it's happening more frequently, it may indicate an underlying issue. Whether it's caused by stress, poor nutrition, or damage from harsh hair products. In this video, we'll share 5 effective, natural remedies to help regrow your hair at home and restore its thickness and volume. Before jumping into the remedies, let's quickly understand why hair loss happens. Hair loss can be caused by genetics. Male and female pattern baldness are usually hereditary, and some temporary causes like illness, stress, cancer treatments, or iron deficiency can all lead to hair thinning. Now, let's dive into 5 powerful home remedies to naturally promote hair regrowth and thickness. Number 1, massage. A study conducted in Japan demonstrated that scalp massage could lead to thicker hair. Over a 24-week period, men who received regular scalp massages showed significant improvements in hair thickness. Researchers believe this may be due to enhanced blood flow and direct stimulation of hair follicle cells. The study concluded that stretching forces from scalp massage lead to changes in gene expression in dermal papilla cells, contributing to increased hair thickness. Number 2, aloe vera. Aloe vera offers several benefits for hair health. It strengthens hair with its rich content of fatty acids, amino acids, and vitamins, which help promote healthy hair follicles. Studies have shown that aloe vera provides protection from UV damage, preserving hair's shine, color, and elasticity. And some research suggests that aloenin, a compound in aloe vera, may reduce hair loss and improve hair health. Number 3, onions. Onions have been used since medieval times to treat hair loss and baldness. Their key benefits stem from their high sulfur content, which strengthens hair and supports collagen production, improving scalp health. Onions also boost blood circulation to the scalp, enhancing hair follicle activity. Number 4, rice water. Experts suggest that rice water can enhance hair growth by providing essential nutrients like inositol, amino acids, vitamins, and antioxidants. These elements protect hair from free radicals and environmental stressors while strengthening the hair roots, preventing breakage, and promoting healthier, longer hair. Number 5, fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek is rich in plant compounds such as flavonoids and saponins, which are thought to encourage hair growth through their anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties. The seeds are rich in essential nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, proteins, and fiber. These nutrients not only support healthy hair growth, but also contribute to overall well-being. Including with these, to maximize your hair growth, you need to nourish your body from inside. A balanced diet rich in iron, protein, and zinc can do wonders for hair health. Avoid tight hair accessories that cause breakage. Limit the use of heat styling tools. If you stick with it, you'll soon see your hair becoming thicker, stronger, and healthier.